Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we're gonna take a look at Robinhood Legend and TradingView to see which one is the best for Forex and options. Now here I have a list with the pros and cons. Now, Robinhood Legend is best for casual investors who want AI-powered insights within the Robinhood app. They offer personalized news, signals, and portfolio analysis. It's integrated into Robinhood, and AI helps surface trends for beginners. Now, the downside is that it's limited technical analysis and only works with Robinhood platform. So overall, it's great for passive users wanting guidance inside Robinhood. Now, TradingView is best for traders and analysts who need powerful charting and global market data. They offer advanced charting tools, indicators and scripts, real-time data, so it's perfect for technical traders and strategy testing. So overall, I think TradingView is a better option for Forex and options if you ask me. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.